A few weeks ago, the government announced a $400 increase for extension assistance. Today, the workers worry that it may be a case of gaining on one hand and losing on another, as they are now presented with short-term contracts. A copy of one of the contracts was shared with our news desk by one of the concerned employees. That worker was concerned that the extension assistants were being put at a disadvantage. One of the paragraphs headlined Nature and Period of Service states that the extension officer shall perform his service for a period of 6 months with effect from January 4th, 2016. Their fear is that after 6 months, they may not be rehired by government. One of the workers told GBN that they were hesitant about signing, but was told by a government official that failure to do so would mean they would not receive their salary. GBN sought clarity on the matter from an official of the Public Workers Union. That person explained that the extension assistants were hired after Hurricane Ivan and were never placed on permanent establishment. We were further told that they never paid union dues and, as such, were not covered by the union. However, when we discussed the issue with another union official, he described the PWU officer's statement as unfortunate. That person pointed out that even if they do not pay union dues, government employees pay an agency fee which entitles them to coverage under the union which represents the workers at an establishment. A representative of one of the unions which represents public servants told our news desk that they have advised some of the affected employees to the Public Workers Union for guidance. GBN News understands that the issue will be discussed tomorrow during a meeting at the Grenada Trades Union Council. GBN, however, spoke this evening to Agriculture Minister Roland Bowler via telephone about this development. He says there is a valid explanation for the move.
Government is also looking at the same time of outsourcing a lot of the services in government, and extension is one of the services that we hope to outsource. In fact, from the conclusion that Cabinet reached, they said we shall put the extension assistance on a 6-month contract, January to June, and that within the next 2 months, the Ministry of Agriculture should provide Cabinet with a plan as to how we will outsource the services and re-engage these persons. It is a contract for 6 months, but after the 6 months, the expectation is that they will be re-engaged with the vendor, the service provider that would win the contract for the extension services.
Eugenia Peters, GBN News.